I'm introducing the latest product from Shooters Global, which is the Pulse Pro level, but with so many more features than the original. We listened to your feedback, and this is not only a firearms level for your long-range rifle, but it also has an integrated timer with a lot of options to customize it for your exact training or competition. Thanks to the screen and buttons along the side, you do not have to utilize your app to be able to adjust your timer and other settings within the Pulse Pro. Just like in the original Pulse, the Pulse Pro also has your Anti-Cant feature, which shows you lights so that you can easily correct it, and it gives you green when you're ready to go. And if you'd like it in the different orientation, no need to adjust any settings. You can easily switch it on the mount or mount it directly sideways on a Picatinny rail. In the menu, we have three main focuses here, which is dope cards, timer mode, and level mode. You can adjust your timer on the Pulse Pro directly or through your app. And in the app, you have the option to also add in some pretty cool features in addition to the start buzzer. At the 15-second mark, I have a 3 beep to alert me that I have made it there. Now 2 beeps means for me, I got 10 seconds left to go. And then lastly, I've got 1 beep. And you can even tell that I've adjusted the tone of them, which is another feature that you can look at in your app, so that without ever having to visually look at it, you know exactly where you are in your stage time. And you have the timer mode outside of just timer. If we come down here to level, you can see that it has my level information in addition to my timer there. Now we're going to look at the dope card feature, which you'll need to utilize your app for to upload all of your specific info to. But what's really cool is that you can organize all of those cards by your rifle so that you don't ever have to worry about getting them mixed up. And once we have that, you can see that we still have our level and our timer, all of that information in addition to our dope card. On your dope cards, you have 4 different pieces of information displayed, which is your target number, distance, elevation, and wind. You can simply switch through your targets by the buttons on the sides, and you always can visibly see your timer right at the bottom of the screen. Just like the original Pulse, the Pulse Pro has your stability mode. This will track your muzzle movement under recoil, and once you connect it to your app, you'll be able to see all of that data. In your box with your Pulse Pro, you're also going to have your pressure pad that you can mount anywhere on your handguard to be able to quickly and easily start your timer. You simply hold it down, and once you release, it will begin. In addition, you also have these LEDs that mount directly under your scope, which means that you never have to divert your eyes to the side. You can visibly see it at all times. You can adjust the brightness of these through your Pulse Pro or the app. Although the Pulse Pro is bigger than the original Pulse, if you were to try and achieve a level and a timer on your gun, there is no comparison in overall size to be able to have that. This is also water resistant and can hold up to 600 2-minute stages. And best of all, it's already available even at Amazon.